Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open Alight Motion and tap the plus to create a project. Set aspect ratio and duration before importing your media files. Tap the plus again and choose text to add a text layer. Type your words into the text box and confirm to place the layer. Use the move and scale handles to position text on screen precisely. Use the timeline to set where the text appears and disappears, trimming the layer length accurately. Select the text layer and open the text panel to change font, size, color, and line height. Adjust letter spacing and alignment to improve readability across scenes. Apply stroke, shadow, and background rectangles to keep text legible over busy footage. Use keyframe animation for position, scale, rotation, and opacity to create dynamic overlays. Animate easing with the curve editor to make motion smoother and more natural. Preview frequently to ensure timing matches your video edit. When finished, export using MP4 or GIF and pick a quality setting between 60% and 100%. Check resolution and frame rate to match your original project files for best results. Keep on-screen text visible long enough for reading, typically at least 5 seconds per short phrase. Use 16th-second keyframes for precise timing when syncing to music beats and motion. Save a project backup and export a short preview before finalizing to catch any errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.